Stop recording.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I hate to tell you this, but I have a boppet that I'm going to be reviewing today. I haven't done a complete thing of it, but this is going to take a while. A little bit. First, let me set this up. Make yourselves comfy because it might take a little 5 minutes. Sorry, didn't mean to have to redo this. You just have to make a comfortable space. There we go. Alright, now that I'm finally comfortable. Oh, this twister looks like it's about to break off. Hear that? Like this boppet is completely falling apart. Look at that. Look at this. Spin it is very loose. But let me tell you right now, this was made in 2013. So to heck with the gears. Look at this. Look at this. This is small enough to fit in frame with the camera. Look at that. Without spoiling you guys. Let's see about 5 inches by. It's pretty small. If you ask me, it's pretty small. Yeah, this twister looks like it's about to break off. But anyway, it was brand new. But anyway, let's look at the description of this thing. What does it look like to you? As a blind person, what will it look like? Well, when you first get it, it's in a open packaging, like all the boppets are. Past 2006, starting in 2008 through the present, boppets have always been in shiny packages. This was in kind of like a rectangle package when he got it out. It was not a real good sight because it was in like some pretty weird stuff. This boppet is a carabiner. The description, it looks like a regular boppet XT, right? Right. It also looks like a boppet download if you look at it a little bit more closely. The bob jacks of it don't. The bop jacks on it don't. The boppet is just a button. See, it's just a button. You twist it and pull it. Well, you can push it down or just pull it out. Now spin it. Flick it.
55%. 60%.
Oh God.
Portrait. Camera chooser. Back. Button. Landscape. Back. Camera choose. Back. Button. Camera chooser. Front facing. Button.
So anyway, let's turn this thing on and see what's going on with it. You're wondering how you can turn it on. Well, it's simple. But first, let's look at the battery door. Look how tiny that is. That is really small. I didn't have one of these when it came out, but
Bump it to start.
Twister doesn't know anything.
Expert.
Flick it does.
Master. Pro. Novice.
Okay, it seems like it doesn't really need any new batteries yet.
Bump it to bump it to start. Bump it to 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 start.
Where's passive? Where's one-on-one? And where's party?
I'm
Well,
going to sleep.
you want to know what one-on-one is? How can you play it when there's only one bop it button? True, right? The bop it button is, well, the speaker's on the bop it button. The battery door is where the other bop it button would be, but isn't. Strange how carabiners have to have battery doors on the backs of the bop it counterparts. This is the predecessor to the Bop It XT. It looks like if it was like a Bop It XT or a Bop It Extreme or an Extreme 2 or something like that. Alright, let's look at this.
Bump it to start. Bump it to start. Bump it to start. Bump it to start. Bump it, 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 bump it to expert. Nas pro, no, ex, nas pro, no, ex, nas pro, no, ex, master pro, novice, expert, master pro, novice.
Let's play this. Starting on level 1, which is
Bump it
novice.
to start.
Oh, ouch.
High score, 100.
This has volume control.
Bump it.
There's not much of a difference.
Pull it.
Look at spin it and shake it.
Spin it. Flick it. Shake it. Shake it. Pull it. Twist it. Bump it. Flick it. Spin it. Bump it. Pull it. Twist it. Shake it. Spin it. Flick it. Pull it. Spin it. Bump it.
I might end up beating this thing.
Twist it. Shake it. Spin it. Flick it. Pull it. Twist it. Bump it.
The pull-up works better on this
Twist it.
than on another bop, but then I'm going to show you
Pull it.
in another video.
Shake it. Spin it. Flick it. Twist it. Flick it. Pull it. Bump it. Shake it. Spin it. Bump it. Pull it. Twist it. Spin it. What?
Oh.
Score 45.
Oh wow, that that was actually amazing.
Bump it. Oh.
Well, the bop it button is really loose.
I'm going to sleep.
Yeah, the bop is kind of loose, but anyway,
Bump it to start.
I'm going to show you expert.
Expert. High score 100.
Yeah, I beat them all.
Bump it. Shake it. Pull it. Bump it. Flick it. Flick it. Bump it. Shake it. Twist it. Bump it. Pull it. Spin it. Flick it. Flick it. Bump it. Shake it. What? Score 28.
The shake it's not working very good on this one.
This master.
Alright, here's Master.
High score 100.
Hmm.
Green. Orange. Bump it. Pull it. Shake it. Twist it. Purple. Bump it. Flick it. Blue. Twist it.
This basically stays at the same rhythm.
Orange. Black. Shake it. Pull it. Twist it. Green. Flick it. Blue. Shake it. Twist it. Green. Purple. Spin it. Twist it. Pop it. Orange. Black. Shake it. Black. Twist it. Green. Oh! Score 63. Throw.
Mm.
Novice expert master throw. Novice expert master throw.
Here's pro. I'll show you the I'll show you what's wrong with it.
Bump it high. Score 7. Black. Yellow. Bully. Go. Oh! Ho, ho, ho. High. Score 7. Bump it. Twist it. Bully. Go. Shake it. Go. Yellow. Black. Blue. Go. Oh! Score 2. Novice.
Stop recording. Button.
Well, that's it.
Bump it.
That's it of the Bop It XT carabiner. Not much to say about it, but there is a little clip that you can put on, like you could put on your backpack, or you can put it on anything, but be careful because it might malfunction. So anyway, yeah, that's it.
Stop recording. Button.